Welcome back to part 2. I know you missed me, but don't worry, we're going to spend about 3 minutes together. We're going to start by talking about how to account for the lack of a complementizer in the X-bar theory. Many other languages use a complementizer to form yes-no question. All other languages, including English, use subject-auxiliary inversion. That means subject-auxiliary inversion is performing a function of a complementizer. So when the subject and the auxiliary aren't inverted, then there has to be a complementizer there, right? Ba-ba-da-ba! Introducing the null complementizer. So if we imagine taking the question, will I eat cheesecake, and making it into a statement, I will eat cheesecake, we can see that it leaves the null complementizer. Moving on to more evidence. English only allows two things that are alike to be conjoined. Cheesecake and strawberries, eat and devour. Eat and strawberries? No. So then why is it that in English we allow a statement to be conjoined with a question? You will bring me cheesecake, but will it be soon? So if a phrase with a complementizer or a null complementizer can be conjoined with another phrase, doesn't that mean that that phrase also has a null complementizer? More evidence is the overt complementizer if that can be found when you embed a question in another clause. I asked if Bellfire stole my hair ties. Okay, well what about TP? T is optional, right? How does that fit into X-bar theory? Well, here we're going to claim that auxiliaries and tense inflections are actually part of the same category as well. They're in complementary distribution. You can have one, you can have the other, but you can have both. So she is eating cheesecake or she eats cheesecake, not she is eating cheesecake or she is eats cheesecake. Makes no sense. So selectional analysis is a modern way to account for the T element when drawing your tree structures. It shows whether the tense is expressed in present or in past. So let's go over what we learned today really quick. We learned that determiners are actually the head of their own phrase. Determiner phrases are actually strong, independent constituents that don't need to be a part of no NP. We learned that there are 3 different kinds of embedded clauses, and you can also organize clauses into finite or non-finite tense. And we also learned some tests on how to do that. We discussed some evidence that says that all clauses have complementizers. We also saw that when drawing trees, you can express the T element in inflectional suffixes, not just auxiliaries. Oh man. So I like plain cheesecake, but preferably made from scratch. Just wanted to let you know, just throwing it out there. Bye!